Tonto, what did you just do? Tonto, are you not aware I was watching a program right before you came into this place to change it?
Is that why you are shouting at me? Why are you shouting now?
Are you not? Are you mad? Are you sick in the head? Have you lost your sense of timing or what? No, what gave you the guts, the temerity, the panache to change my station?
What I know, I won't watch film now.
It seems you have grown wings in this house. You no longer know your place, right? I am going to surprise you by cutting off those wings of yours immediately.
Ha! Well, Chimo, if you speak English finish, you go rest. I will tell you no. Mind yourself.
Let me have the remote.
Which remote? Which remote?
So let me have the remote.
Hey! You want to drag the remote with me?
Let me have the remote.
Aya, come and try it now. Come and collect it. Come and.
Hey, what's the problem again? How are you?
A wonderful one at that, trust me.
Oh, I see. This is strange.
What is strange?
Come on, what do you mean what is strange? It's 6 p.m. and you're not watching your program.
Oh, baby, I was just about going upstairs to go and watch it.
Hey!
Upstairs?
Yes, upstairs.
But that is not where you normally watch your program.
Ha!
You like watching it here because the screen is bigger and you have a better sound here. So why are you going upstairs?
I am talking to my husband today. I changed my mind, baby. I want to watch it upstairs with you whilst I give you a good massage for the stressful day. It's your heart.
Okay. You know your wish is my command.
Shall we?
Alright?
Oga!
What is it? What?
I want to
tell you something.
Oga! This is strange. Yes, it's strange. So Obegeri they lie. As if they lie, give this man. They look this man face to face. Obegeri say lies. And when I remember that time when they go confession for church that time, but that same one no they talk lie. And Obegeri follow, they beat me that time say do not say lie. But now Obegeri na liar. Obi the liar. Hey. They check the door. The thing they do like magic. Now American door. Good afternoon. Who you dey find?
Good afternoon. I'm looking for my brother Brian.
You dey look for your brother Brian. Your brother Brian now you find. Leave where you go. Wait for the come. You work out finish from wherever you are coming from. You can't look for your brother Brian. They tell you say that they sell Brian for this house. Who do they sell Brian? Here na people house. My sister has 9 minutes.
Is my brother in Brian?
What can I do?
Brian.
Eh?
I'm looking for my brother, Brian.
Brian!
Yes.
That man, na Ghana. Nothing for talk. You dey use another say, man, I'm gonna Brian. I say it's like I don't call you. I come like brain. Good afternoon, sir.
He's your brother.
Now your brother.
Yes.
They come they keep this kind of hair. This kind of hair with the thing they do wire assassin. They come like say because your brother here, you more brush you hold on. The person has to dey enter, no dey rush. I don't know, you just they come. Calm down. Hold on. Just they follow me. If they move, you follow me. Just they come. No, small, beg. No rush me. I mean, you want to me back.
This is my brother's house.
I know you want to me back. The way they follow me for back. No, calm down, small. They go. They come. Hold on. They hold on. Make I go tell them. You say that.
Bro.
Say no.
Kelvin, bro, what are you doing in my house?
Are you serious? You are my brother. I can come to your house whenever I want.
And you lost it the day you started disrespecting my wife.
Which wife? You are not married to her yet. No. Because I told you the truth, that is why you are shedding tears. No. You are not married to her. You know I'm telling you the truth.
Now leave my house.
I should leave your house.
I said get out of my house now.
Don't say I did not warn you.
Kelvin, leave if I push you.
I should
I said leave!
Alright.
Hey! Let's everybody with the city don't call you. No be how you my sister do the shout for me. She's speaking English, they insult me. I look at her and say, get out of here. Get out! I say, what? Now me my sister do they speak big English. Now her husband still there. He face his brother. They tell him say, get out. These people get wicked mind for this city. Let's say the same chemical my sister and my husband they take. Let the boy too get out. With the kind hair where he can say people as I open door, that's how they feel now.
Dad, are you serious? Daddy. Oh, the fight. That I already sent them to your email. Oh, for real? You already done working on them? That I'm not surprised because you're a workaholic. Yeah. Oh, what problem? Okay, Dad, don't. Alright, I've heard you, Dad, don't worry, okay? I'll do my own investigation and I'll get back to you. Alright then. Take care.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. So I said, might tell you say your food done ready, you can shop.
I can shop. Have you told Madam that the food is ready?
Hey, sorry, madam.
Yes.
She dey upstairs. She tell me say she no want follow you eat. Say me you eat alone. Say she no dey follow you dey chop. She go chop alone.
Yes. She don't want shop.
She no want shop. She want shop alone.
Alright, since she don't want shop, well, I'm coming to come and shop.
Okay, sir.
Alright, thank you. Thank you for the food. Anyways.
So I beg, no verse for this thing. I want to tell you, me no verse for me. I beg.
No, I'm not angry. Continue, say it.
I come closer. Sir, now about this thing where you and your brother they do, as now they quarrel, no good. You know, say as one family not supposed to be united, not supposed to live in bondage, but now they live out of bondage and it no good. The thing they pay me, I gather moral, say make I tell you by force, make you for understand, it no good. Change your ways, for there's no time.
Thank you very much for the advice. Thank you. And at the same time, let me give you my own advice. But please, next time, any issues you know nothing about, don't even interfere. No, like anything when it happen, when you don't know the beginning, the genesis, how it starts, not chook your mouth inside. For your own advice.
I'm sorry, sir.
No, I'm not angry. You gave me an advice and I'm returning back to you.
Sir, say make I drop my leg if you know the verse for me. For my village, person the verse, I they use one leg stand to tell me sorry.
You don't need to drop the leg. Use the one leg to go inside.
No, you don't tell me say my drop her. Sorry, sir. No, sorry.
What are you doing with my two-piece? These are my clothes. Why are you wearing them?
You don't get the time where I wear two pencils. You don't get. Now me just see this clothes. I like and say that your clothes. Now I wear them for my distance. So is there anything wrong with it?
Are you mad? No, are you mad or something? Are you okay?
You dey curse me your sister. You open your mouth, they curse me. You supposed to ask yourself that question. You are the one who is mad. You're supposed to ask yourself that question.
Subto, I have had enough of your excesses in this house. At this point, I feel like strangling you.
Wait. Now me now you dey talk to like that. Me now you dey talk to. You open your mouth, they insult me, your sister. Say nonsensical attitude.
Subto, did you just clean those retarded, disgusting nonsense of yours on my two-piece? My talking where?
This one are talking where this one are about the way you're by. You're the talk. The China Popli. This I never seen many people in the middle of our village. I don't mind your word. rubbish. I don't put anything.
You know what? Yes. Go back into that place, that your room, pick up your things and leave my husband's house immediately. Get out!
May I get that?
You help me.
No problem. Make I go pack my things and make you day fast, pack your own things. How many luggage you get?
Excuse you?
Excuse you, wait. You say make I pack, now more they go village. So if I dey go, you go follow me go. Except you want make I go meet your husband. I was gonna say, husband man, sir, I see your wife when he was kissing that brother. When carry dada, I no go just tell her what I see. Now just this thing I go not tell her. You go use the head to understand. That's all. Where they go now? Oh, you don't keep quiet. You get sense. You know that someone don't miss you. Me, I don't go park, no waste time. Me, now you want to miss my time. No concern me.
What are you doing here?
For how long, Rose? For how long will you keep avoiding me like this?
As long as it takes me to make you understand that you need to leave me the hell alone, that is how long it's going to last.
I can't understand that. I miss you so much. I miss everything. I miss our good times. I miss how we make love. Don't tell me you don't miss how I do too.
I don't. And henceforth I forbid you to talk to me like that. What the hell is your problem? I mean, what in the real world is going through your senses?
Well, unfortunately, I can't.
Well, that's your deal, not mine. Don't stop. Don't touch me.
Fine. I understand. What about one last ride? Just you and I promise you I will let you be. One last time.
Are you even listening to yourself at all? Brian is around. What if he walks in on us?
I don't care.
What if we get caught?
I don't fucking care. I just want you. Please, Rose. Don't you understand? I want you so much. I can't live without you. Please. Please, baby. My cupcake.
Baby, I mean, did you really have to go there? Can't you send someone?
No, I can't. Because Dad instructed me to do this assignment by myself. He warned me special and told me, make sure you do it yourself. So I have to go.
I'm going to miss you.
I know.
And I'm going to be bored.
I'll miss you too. But don't worry, I won't be long. At the same time, you have people in the house that will keep you busy.
Oh, please. People in the house, they are not you. It is you that I want.
I know. Don't worry. Smile. I won't be long.
Promise.
Promise. Listen, Don't worry. So where's my bag? You ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
You want a bam bam? You want a true with the people? Tell me the wrong to the wrong to kata ino to drink kata drunk up. Do you man? You tell me I don't know. I'm here. Last man. Bro, welcome. Come inside. Come. Bros, why you can't stand like log of wood? Sit down now.
I'm not here to sit down. I don't need my brother's problem. I'm here to drop off something.
Your brother. But no fear, your brother travel. You know, come back today.
Okay, all right then. I have to take my leave now.
Bros, come, bros, come. About the last time when your brother shout for you, I bet no verse, yeah? No be better thing, no verse.
It's not your fault, thank you.
Bros, To tell you the truth, when you come out, I shout for bros the next day. I say brother and brother supposed to live in bondage, not out of bondage. You can't look me. But I understand, say, you understand what I dey talk.
Thank you. And what is your name? What is your name?
My name na Tochukwu, but you can call me Tomato.
Oh, you are the new house help.
God forbid.
You are the new help.
No, I be sister, Obiageli sister.
Sister Obiageli. Who is Obiageli?
Sorry, na mistake. But something like my throat. Na mistake, I dey come. I'm coming, I beg, I dey come.
Sister Obiageli. Could she be talking Rose?
Ooh, I've missed this house, trust me. It has been so empty without you.
And I've missed you too, darling.
So where's mom and dad?
Those old lovers. They are fine. In fact, while I was coming, they were even planning to travel to Dubai for vacations.
It is well needed. I talked to my mom a few days ago and she was talking about going to UK for some vacation during the month or so. You know now, all these people.
Let them enjoy themselves and have fun. Besides, it's their money anyways. So.
What do I say?
And how is Rose? Don't tell me you're still mad at her.
Oh no, just stop. Don't even get me angry. I'm not mad at her anymore. No, trust me, I'm not.
Sure.
Of course. I even stopped by at her house the other day. I'm serious.
Hey girls!
Ooh.
Oh my God, how are you?
You're welcome.
Thank you, my dear.
Have you been?
Just there.
I was just telling her I stopped by your house the other day, but you're not around.
Really, you came to my house?
But I did.
You know the words, you're no longer angry with me.
No, stop it, I'm not.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I know.
Well, girls, it's been a very hectic period for me. Very, very hectic. You know, considering the fact that my wedding has been postponed 3 times in a row, it's driving me nuts. Just because my mother cannot return from abroad yet. Then putting it down to me, quitting a job that I have passion for. How is my emotions these days has been a roller coaster, trust me.
Oh, you just have to calm down, okay? You know now.
I can't wait.
I've missed us.
Me too. I used to get so much. Then please serve me drink. I'm a guest.
She's a guest.
Not she's a guest.
Take care of your guests. I'm just coming back.
I don't understand you. She said she's a guest. Go and serve her.
Hi.
Hello.
Sure you know who's talking, yeah?
Of course I know who's speaking.
I was probably thinking we could go out together to see a movie and have a lunch. What do you say about that?
Well, I would have loved to, but unfortunately I'm very busy at the moment, okay?
It's okay. I understand. Okay, some other time then.
Please, I'll talk to you later. I have to go now.
What's that?
Nobody important. How are you?
And I tell my village you go say I don't make her. But the solution is that. Hello, Mama.
Hey, how are you, my daughter?
Mama, I told you that I will make it in life.
Eh? You want to send me some money? Hey! Onye Kambo. Eh? Somto. So you are now a big girl in the city.
I used to tell you, but you don't to believe. You see yourself. Mama, shame I tell you. Hello, Mama. I've made it. Oh. I came to Asaba and I made it in life, Mama. See, let me tell you. I'm going to. Where's the Obioma? Tell Obioma to send her account number. I will send you 10,000 naira tomorrow morning through her account number. I've made it. I know that, Mama, you are even jealous for me, but God has shamed you last.
How is your sister Obi?
Which person? Mama, hold on. You see Auntie Obiagiri? Auntie Obi is very wicked. She have changed to vampire, Mama.
God forbid. God forbid again. I mean, God forbid it.
She used to shout. She used to insult me, Mama. She's telling everybody that I'm at distance. Further adjective relationship.
Obi said that to you.
Mama, I'm telling you the truth. Auntie Obi have changed. She's no longer the child you born. He have changed. Maybe they changed her in the hospital when you born her. Then they now say is when she big, the spirits now start manifesting. Mama, I'm not lying now. It's the truth I'm telling you. Obi is wicked now. Okay, if you think I'm a lie, go and confirm for yourself. No problem.
Okay, don't worry. Hang on. How could Obiageli say that to her sister? Her only sister. But I don't think Sonto will lie about such a thing. This cannot be one of her tricks she always played. No. Sonto loves her sister very much. She wouldn't have said such a thing if Obiageli did not say it. I have to call her. I'll call Obiageli. Obiageli, pick. Nemo, Abi, my daughter, how are you? How is everybody? How is your sister Somto? I hope she's not giving you any problems. She's not troubling you so much. My daughter, please, I want you people to love each other. You people should live in peace. So you are the only children that I have. I don't have any other child. It's only both of you. Please, you people should live in peace. Own them.
Where are you? Hey, good afternoon. Good afternoon, sister. Good afternoon. You say what? I watch TV. As I watch the TV skip my mind. Phew, the people they fight. I say, why did they fight? Hey, thank you. God bless you.
I never give you the money. I'm not done talking. Sometimes you need to keep quiet and listen. Take this money to the market. Buy me vegetable and then fish. Most importantly, I want crayfish and what they call cletus.
Cletus?
Yes, cletus.
Sister, the only person who I know baby cletus na cletus in our village, and you know they come cities. Are
you alright? Just go to the market and tell them to give you cletus. And please start going now. Hurry up, because I need to make sure I am damn hungry. And that reminds me, make sure you spend the whole money you're holding. As a matter of fact, do not come back if you do not see the cletus.
Kitty, you're laughing. I couldn't pretend I didn't watch TV. She go to say, I do know something. Cletus.
I sent something to the market.
I will press this bed today. Change my sister and will hear word. It's in the ring.
I need to check this out too.
Go cry today. Go cry.
What is your problem? Tonto, why are you pressing the house bell like that?
Okay, the thing it's not baby this thing.
It's bell, you've been...
Hey, I'm not know, the ring, I'm not saying the ring, I'm not verse, I beg. And sister, I can't say make I tell you, I don't understand this and Cletus so you send me.
Tonto, when you get to the market, tell them to give you Cletus. Cletus. Depending on what you call it. What did you call it for them?
Cletus.
Cletus. Cletus.
Cletus. Cletus. Okay, no problem.
No. This way.
No, sister, rent it for I say make I
go
just
order the rain and get me Cletus.
My sister say make I go under the rain go buy Cletus. Because of man. Because of man, my sister is sending me to a journey of no return. No problem. Because say he won't do bad thing. No be my mouth, they go hear what they want to do. Cletus, because of man.
Who's that?
My goodness God, it is Tonto. I sent her to the market to get something for me, only for her to come back and tell me she could not find Cletus. Can you imagine?
What kind of nonsense is that now?
My heart skipped for a minute.
Me too. By the way, what is Cletus?
Never mind.
I talk am say Rosa they do something with that good for nothing man. Hey, Tonto Chuku, show me the tomato juice. You have to do something about this. What can I do? What I go do be say I go make sure say I catch them red-handed. Like I go catch them pee. Then they no come know what they want to do. Hey! But Hey, Brother Brian, I dey pity him. I dey pity.
Where is that idiot? Where is my bedsheet and my gown? Huh? Where is my bedsheet and my gown?
I beg, no dey talk to me anyhow. No dey call me names, I beg.
Are you crazy? See, I have noticed that you have gone weeks in this house. I am going to cut it off for you if you do not.
I want to make I go meet your husband. I was going to say, husband man, sir. I see your wife when he was kissing that brother. Go carry dada.
What do you want to do? Yeah!
I don't come back from my dream, no problem. Ma I go check the bed sheet that I don't dry, ma bring her come. If you want.
What is it?
I can't stop thinking about you. You're so close to me yet very far. I want to have you all to myself.
That's not possible. We're just having fun and you know it.
Hey, come on. Rose, I know you very well. You're in love with me. You can't deny that.
I love Brian and nothing can change that.
Ruga, my man.
Hey, Calvin. What's good? You know, I've been asking Brian about you. When was the last time I saw you?
And that was 2 years ago in the UK where I was doing my master degree program.
Oh, yes. That's right. It's actually a long time. Wow, you look good. Rose here was about to take me to the salon. You know, my cabman was delaying, so she offered to help. Yes.
Talking about Rose, have you to notice something odd about her?
How do you mean?
This girl is a bad news for my brother. Yes, she has the most chilling character ever.
Excuse me? Do you realize you're talking about me? I am standing right before you.
And who said I was hiding my conversations? See, you can fool my brother, certainly not me. I can see right through your skin that you are a faker, a user, and a gold digger.
Then let me dig my gold in peace. What is your problem, Calvin? Why do you hate me so much? Why is it so hard for you to see me breathe in 1 second? Why? Besides, I thought your brother already told you to stop showing your retarded, useless face and scop out. What are you doing here?
This is my brother's house. I can come here whenever I want. Anytime, anyhow, and nobody is going to stop me.
Who the hell do you think you are, Kevin? Who are you? Look at this nincompoop, a bastard, a fool, a sengamenge like you.
Hey.
Who the hell do you think you are?
Hey,
Let us sengamenge. You better just imagine. You are talking to me.
Guys.
Kevin, you are very stupid. You are sick in the head, though.
Rose.
You will die a miserable death. Let me just tell you.
Rose,
What is your problem with me?
Rose.
Get out of my house, please. Look at it. Did you see that?
Rose.
Did you see what just did? Idiot! Bastard! Son of a bitch! Don't tell me to calm down. Don't you dare tell me to calm down. Who was that for? Did you see what the number that was vomiting from his big mouth? Start up on my patient.
Rose, you need to calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. Did you see what just happened? No, didn't you hear what he was saying about me? Right in my presence. Who the hell else do you think he is?
You need to calm down, boss. Okay? I've known Kelvin for decades now. He talks too much. Alright? I don't need you to pick a fight with him.
Oh, really? I am not going to pick a fight with him. I swear to God, I'm going to end his life on earth. I will make his life so miserable for him. Since Gavin has sworn that I will never have peace or joy in my marriage, he will rot in hell. What? No, I need to go.
Hey. Stop. Alright. That's enough.
So he was like, he wants to take care of my bill. Then I told him, are you sure? Because I'm an independent woman and I can take care of my bills myself. The next thing, he brought out his card and paid my bills. It was about 62k. He drove me home, made a transfer of 200k to my account. He said I should just get whatever I want.
No, you are joking, right?
No, I'm serious.
Abemona, wait. I'm gonna leave this English. My check. Oh, yeah.
Calm down, you like money.
Wow.
I am so happy for you.
Thanks, darling.
Me too.
And guess what? Just guess who is going on a date today?
No fucking way. No way. You are going on a date with him.
Of course.
Oh my God.
Wow. I'm happy for you, darling.
I am happy for you.
Thank you. And who is that handsome man I saw earlier?
Oh,
sorry. That's Roger, yeah. Brian's good friend. He came for the wedding till the wedding was shifted. So you have to still till the wedding, you know. But, he's so cute. I mean, sexy.
Can you stop it?
Why? Is he married?
He's not married. He's single, but you have to stop it. Stop crushing on him. I have my reasons, please.
Okay, fine. Okay, let's just cheers our drink.
Yeah, cheers.
They take a easy. Look at the way she just shouting. Now my fault. The guy is cute now. Sorry.
Dirty people is my sister and the husband. Woman supposed to clean the house, he no go clean. Easy. My sister, condom. My sister husband never come back since I sweep this room last. Now only that brother with the carry big long hair. Now I enter this room with my sister. Now I see condom. Condom, who is you? My sister is you. Hey! My sister is an Ashima. My sister is an Hey!
Who are you talking to?
Nobody. I'm talking to myself and myself is talking to myself.
Please take this. Buy me fish in the market. I need to make something very fast.
Fish. But I buy fish for you the other day and I still get fish.
Are you alright? Are you by any chance questioning my orders in my own husband's house? Are you alright?
Sorry.
Buy me fresh fish. What you bought for me 2 days ago was baranga. I don't need it. Buy me fresh. Something fresh. I want to make something fresh to eat. Do you understand me?
Yes, Your Highness. Yes, sister. You carry my evidence to it.
can give it to you the way I do, right? Hmm? Hey. Relax. It's just both of us. Hey. Relax, baby. Okay? Just relax.
No. Stop. But...
Babe. 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 Babe.
How was the trip?
I have been knocking. You refuse to open. Where's everybody?
Where is everybody? I don't understand. I'm just alone in the room, and besides, I do stuff after my morning workout.
And Ruga?
Ruga said he wanted to get something somewhere, so if he's not at home, then maybe he has gone out. And he's supposed to come back on Saturday. What happened?
Oh yes. I finished what I went to do on time, so I decided to come back to surprise him. Wait, hold on. You mean you're alone in this whole house?
I'm alone.
Because I heard so much noise coming from this room.
I'm sure it was a television set.
Right.
Oh my goodness, God, you got me. Thank you. Wow, I love it.
Alright, let me freshen up so I can do it.
No, baby, on. I prepared something very amazing for you.
I missed you so much.
I know, babe. I miss you too.
I missed everything about you.
So,
alright, let me freshen up so we'll get something to eat.
No, baby,
so
I think you should eat first before you go take your bed.
No, I need to freshen up.
Baby, I made this delicacy just for you, and it's getting cold.
No, I need to try it.
Baby, this way. This way, this way, this way. This way, this way.
Life is good and life is nice. Everyone wants a little bit of this and that. When you are in a place, I know other
Oh yeah, it went well. And I hope you guys don't miss me too much.
No, baby.
Are you sure? I'm very sure she missed you.
Yeah.
You sure you're fine?
What is wrong with you? What was the meaning of that you were expecting in there? Just a few hours after we almost got caught, here you are behaving like a kid. What is your problem?
Why are you panicking?
Why am I
Live
panicking?
your life, yes. Live your life. Enjoy the adventure.
This is too risky, and I don't think I can continue with this anymore. It is done.
And, are you sure about this?
I just told you it is over. Please.
It's never over, darling. Never over.
Hi, what's up, Satya? How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm sorry I've not called in a long time. Yes, I've been very busy actually. Listen, I was thinking maybe we'll see later today. How about that?
Really? Okay, I'll be with you. 20 minutes time.
Okay then. I'll see you later today, okay?
Yeah. Yeah! Wow. Calm down. Sit here. Calm down. Calm down. Oh, somebody hold me. Wait, my bag.
Hi, Cynthia.
Hi.
You didn't tell me you were coming.
What's up? Don't mind me. Actually, I'm with Roga. I hope you don't mind.
You're with who? Ruga?
Hi, she's with me. Hi guys, please permit me to take this darling to my room.
Auntie, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Uncle Ruga, welcome. Auntie Cynthia, welcome.
Thank you.
So may you come see us. Well done. This is one of the whole now. I don't come understand. Like, I don't laugh. Now you can uncle.
Yes.
Sister Gageli, Sister Rose,
Anyways, you're all welcome.
Thank you very much.
Welcome, my dear.
Brother Brian, we have a full house. Count you 1, 2, 3, 4 plus me 5. Ha! Food goes what? I go feed dinner. Brother Ruga, now you carry a cup. When they go
So, go and prepare some for everybody to eat and let's eat together.
Thank you very much, Somto. Okay, that's enough. We'll have to go upstairs to my room now. Darling, let's go. Right?
Oh, Brother Ruga, in our Brother Ruga, in
Just get everybody their food.
What's the meaning of that?
I don't understand. Don't tell me you're not happy for them.
Happy, you see?
Yes! You should be happy for them. Roga and Cynthia, they feel love.
Are you kidding me right now? Cynthia is my friend. I should give my approval, right?
What approval? Come on. What approval are you talking about? They are both adults. They have every right to fall in love with each other. Huh? So you should be happy for them.
Why am I sitting down here having this flimsy conversation between the first place?
I don't get it. Hey! Are you serious? All right. Your movie.
You can watch it alone.
Women. Huh? Come on. What have I said? What have I said wrong? Huh? Can you imagine? Women with problems all the time. They like nagging. Come on. Why are women so? They're so insatiable. They're so self-centered. Huh? No, she's happy with me now. She's angry that her friend. Come on.
Are you going to do this all day?
Honestly, I feel so bad. But you told me she won't mind us being together.
Of course she wouldn't mind. Besides, why do you even care about her?
Hello. Why shouldn't I? She is my best friend. You know what? I'm leaving. Don't even bother to sing me up.
Hey, hey, no, come on. I won't let you do that. Look at the time. It's already late.
Roger, I can find my way out, please.
You know what? I'll let you take the bed, okay? I'll just stay on the floor. I promise you I will not touch you, okay?
I never knew this would infuriate you so much. If I knew, I wouldn't have done it. I swear. I didn't know.
I want you, Cynthia. I want you. But all you did was to play deaf ears to all my warnings. I told you not to look at his way. I want you, didn't I?
I know. I'm sorry, but nothing happened.
Oh, please, cut that crap. I don't want to hear it.
Trust me.
Oh, please, do not tell me that crap. Don't tell me that bullshit that you guys never had sex last night. I do not want to hear it.
I swear. I didn't do anything.
You swear?
Yes. You know I wouldn't betray you. Because I know you want the best for me. The moment I know you're angry, that's why I didn't do anything with him. I crossed my heart. I swear. I'm sorry.
Cynthia, I have your interest at heart. I can't stand seeing you hurt.
I know.
Ruga is a playboy. You deserve more. He is not your type of guy.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. I'll give you a call, okay?
Take care.
Bye.
Thank you. I'm expecting your call, okay?
And what was that for?
That was for trying to mess with my friend, you idiot.
Sister B is sleeping with brother Rugabian. Rugabian carpet. And Ruga is such a big man. Oh man. Should I tell him? No. I cannot betray my sister no matter what. God, please. Open Oga Brian's eyes to see this. He deserves more than this. He's too good for this kind of thing.
I am the luckiest man on earth to have you as a wife. You know what?
What, babe?
We are not going to postpone our wedding anymore. We're getting married.
Really?
Yes, because I'm happy that I'm getting married to the most caring woman, the most beautiful woman on earth. I'm the most understanding woman.
Guess what, babe? I have a good news for you.
Oh, for real? So tell me.
Okay, I just got off the phone with my mom and she told me that she will be in Nigeria in a few weeks' time.
Are you serious?
With my stepdad.
Oh! You mean the white man?
Yes. The white man.
Wow. That means we'll be having a full house. Oh, all right. Okay, where's my phone? All right, just hold on. Let me call my parents and the event planner so they can carry on. You. All right.
Thank you.
Okay. Hold on. Where's my letter?
Okay. Oops. Did I just say the white man? Oh goodness God, Jesus wept. Even if I have to fake my mother, to get all young and glassy woman, where the hell am I supposed to get a white man from? To fake as well? Well, I trust myself. No situation is too strong, but why follows.
Sorry to start on you. Listen, I need you to do me a favor. Okay? I need some shaving blades. Did you hear me? I said I need you to help me buy some shaving blades. Alright? Please.
Razor blade? They don't used to use razor blade for shaving.
I mean shaving sticks. Okay, yeah.
Sir, please, I wanted to go and do something inside. When I finish, I will go.
No. I need it right away. Okay, you see, I need to go somewhere now and I'm looking very bushy.
Where do you want to use it to shave, sir? None of my business, sorry. Give me 500 in case. I don't know what I do. In my past.
It's alright, I'll just give you.
Yes, who is there? Tonto. Tonto, come in. Come in. What are you doing here? What is wrong with you? What is your problem? How many times do I have to tell you that whatever that transpired between me and you is long done with? Don't you understand it? I am done with you. It's over.
Well, listen, Rose. I am truly sorry for whatever I must have done that's gotten you this angry. But you must understand, we can't do this without each other.
Are you even listening to yourself talk? Are you? I am engaged to your friend Brian. He loves and cares about me. I cannot continue with this because I can't stand him being hot anymore. Understand me, please.
Okay, fine. I understand. Brian is a great guy. My best friend, yes. But you can't blame me for what I feel for you. What we feel for each other.
That is where you have a problem. You have to unfeel whatever you're feeling for me right now because I am done with you. Stop this, please. What if Brian walks into this room? What are you doing here?
Rose, listen.
Don't touch me.
Let's run away.
Excuse you?
Yes. You know, I can't imagine leaving all of this for Brian. Do you know how beautiful my life would be? Spending forever with you, right by your side. Having beautiful moments. Visiting beautiful cities. Just the two of us. Having fun everywhere. God, it's going to be heaven on earth. And I will do everything within my powers to make sure that comes to pass.
When are we going to stop doing this to Brian? He doesn't deserve it.
I don't deserve this either. Yes, I love you so much. And I'll do whatever it takes to make sure you're mine. I'm never letting you go. Never. My cupcake. Life is beautiful.
You know, we negotiated for 6 months, 5 million. Well, because of the logistics.
Right. What? You know how precious. Then, you know I will do anything. I will do anything to make that happen. You have nothing to worry about. Wow.
Alright, let's go to the office. Once you bring the payment, we'll give you the original bread. This is actually good.
I have no problem. Let's go. Right. Wow. I love it. It's beautiful.
I know you love it.
Don't worry. Let's go and make the payment and I get it. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful.
My mind is blowing, my heart is bleeding, all because of you. I am lonely, lost and broken. Why will you break my heart this way? 'Cause I am bleeding, bleeding for you.
Listen, bro, I am just very sorry.
God, please. God. Leave my house. Please.
Leave my house! Bro, you've got to calm down.
You don't want to go?
Alright, please.
You don't want to go? Alright.
When you are in a place, another place could they hungry you. That's where you want to be, wanna be. Good is good and bad is bad.
That's a make I give them space. They don't go say, oh, where's the review not be for everybody. And they tell me, say, give us space, give us space. I know it's the one. Say the one. Review is not for everybody.
Bros. Somewhere is not for outside like this. The thing where you say make I go buy, I don't buy and come. I know, I understand why you say me I go buy this. I know so now one space.
I can't give una space, but this thing wey una dey do, no be me go judge una. The person that will judge you people, he dey up and he dey look una. I know say they look una because one day, every day for the thief, one day for the owner. I don't buy the thing wey you say I buy. There, I be dey find that one where people know the name, but this one they say na Doroko. Look at what are the name you like. Doroko plate. Who you think what is that shit? Plus, why you carry your bag they go? I want carry your Doroko. Why hear my sister do bad thing finish? You can't carry a bag they go. What happen? Abi they don't catch him. Hello, mama. I said you should follow that address I sent you now. If you follow the address they come, you go see the place now there. You tell that Joshua. The Joshua will tell you. Oh, you enter bike now, enter bike. Tell them say that number why I give you for them. Enter there and stop. Since you don't enter the Joshua. Mama fast, if you reach the gate, just call me. Once you reach the gate, call my number, make I come out to usher you in. I don't dare say things, they make I come usher you in. You never come for me to usher. Fast now, fast. I don't feel wait to see you. Mama shall I tell? That men are not trying for bike, oh. No, I didn't not trying for bike. All the bike people. Hey, sister of the AKA Rose. She will be happy to see Mama. I don't think I'm surprised now. This is how big you see Mama. I'm sorry, I don't know what to go to about me. It's the devil's one here. Baby, please, you know I love you. Please, I'm begging you, I am sorry. Please, just give me the last chance. How can I leave you for that thing? Somebody just possessed. Maybe I was just possessed by it. I don't know. Just please forgive me, please. Sorry, please. Ushering! The mother-in-law in. Come in. Sir Brian, meet my mama and Obegini, aka Rose mama, your mother-in-law. Meet her, please to meet her. Mama, meet Obegini. Obegini, meet mama. Adam, I'll be over. Obegini, mama. Hey, Obegini. Adam, no. Hey, baby. Hey. Obegini. Mama, that is how city people used to behave. Once they see somebody that came newly, they'll just start fighting. And so they will fight so that they'll take welcome you. It's a form of saying welcome, Mama. But she was kneeling down. The kneeling down is their tradition in the city. They need that it means that they will give you food when they see you.
Betrayed my love after everything we've been through. I had plans for us, many plans for you and I. Unbreak my heart, 'cause I am bleeding for you, bleeding for you.
Good afternoon, Since you first call and come out, I be don dey find you. Mama dey find you since yesterday night. She dey find you, no see you.
Mama Slara.
Where she wan go before? Na me usher her in now. No fit usher herself go out except say I usher her out. But the thing be say she don dey wait for you since. Oga Brian, Mama say again something very important wey you wan discuss with you about Obiageli, aka Rose, my sister.
Bloody liar. That unapologetic, chronic cheat. Where is she?
I don't understand. Sir Brian, who has all this name? Who got all this name with the car? I don't get it.
Your sister, Rose, where is she?
Talk of Obiageli, aka Rose. I don't know where she go. Yesterday, as soon as you quarrel, you vex come out. Now so she too vex follow you. She carry her bag, take some assault, go outside though. As soon as two just vex come out, you vex come out. She carry her bag, come out. What will it here?
Very good. Now listen to me. I do not want to ever see her. I will go there anywhere close to this premises. Okay?
Rose, Ruga, ha. Hey! Jesus! I had... I was, Hey! I don't can see these people, they do bad thing. I don't can... Hi!
So you knew all this while you didn't tell me?
I don't know. I know. But I know if you tell you that I'm active. No, I know if you do have. Like I'm not going to be like that. I the bond of sisterhood show say once your sister they fuck up, you know if you cast out. I'm the low. So I know if you cast my sister. As long as I do the bad thing, I say, I go there like this, they all call me. So I will say yes, I say come over, I will come. Take money, go buy anything when you do go and buy anything. I say, sure, say go buy anything. I go roam around for market and I don't know it I won't buy. Sometimes again, they will send message, go buy anything I just want. The last one, you know, you did that one go bring shaving stick. Now I saw you tell me, say go buy shaving stick. I say, shaving stick. What's the money shaving stick to for person house? I say, no problem. I go buy the shaving stick. Sometimes if I go buy something, I go just buy the roam around for them. I forgive them time when they do the party when they want to. I don't support them, Sha. I don't support my sister. My sister not tell you, I don't support her. She not tell you.
Yeah, I'll just tell Mama I'll see how it's happening.
Don't push on the freshen. You want freshen up? Something na pure.
You are in a place, another place could they hungry you. That's where you want to be, wanna be.
What have I done to myself?
Good is good and bad is bad.
How on earth did I put myself in this mess?
Makes us think twice.
I had a wonderful relationship. I had a perfect man, but I ruined everything. How do I bring myself out of this? Now Brian isn't even talking to me. Oh my goodness, God. Brian, please pick up. For how long will you keep busy in my calls?
You cannot let it go. You know you're right from wrong, but now you
Just pick
are
up your phone, pick up.
blind to see what to do. You go to place, the thing where you do, don't need anybody where go understand. You go to place, you are so confused, but you know what you want to do it. Burning desire, your body on fire. Because when you dance from your soul, you can never appreciate. can never appreciate what you have until you lose. You can never.
My son, I don't understand what you are saying.
I really do not know how else I should explain this to you. But I loved your daughter so much. There is nothing I didn't do for Obiageli. Well, all she told me was her name was Rose. She never told me her name was Obiageli until you came in. I did everything for her. She never lacked anything in my house. I provided all she needed. I even went as far as telling her to stop working, to stay at home, and I will provide everything she needed. But all she could do is to hurt me badly. From the very first day I met Obiageli, it has been from one lies to another. She kept lying to me. She went as far as telling me her mother does not live in Nigeria. She lives in America. Even the day she came back home with Tonto, she introduced her to me as distant cousin. Yes, she's here. You can ask her.
Distance, yes.
My son, I don't know why Obiageli would do such. Obiageli, my daughter, always had her eyes on the ground. But I never knew it would get to this point of deceiving people and denying her own family. My son, I lost my husband when Obiageli was barely 2 years old. Much later, I got married and I gave birth to Tonto here. It's me. I suffered to train Obiageli to this level she is now, so that when I will grow old, she will be there for me. She will treat me well. She will take good care of me. But look at, this is how she's paying me back for all the suffering I suffered for her. My son, please, will you find a way in your heart? Forgive me.
Please, come on, get up. Stand up, please.
Forgive
Mama,
me.
stand up. Come on, stand up.
Forgive her.
Mama, no, stand up.
Forgive us.
Mama, yes, I'm not angry. Mama, it's not your fault. Mama, please, stand up. Mama, please stand up. Get up now. Carry Mama up, please.
Mama, carry yourself
Mama, get
up.
up.
Mama, carry yourself up. Mama, sorry. Let me kneel on behalf of my mother. Sorry, please. Sorry.
My dear, have you forgiven her?
Hey, sister. Hey, sister, peek. Hey, sister, peek now, peek. Peek, let me tell you. Hello, sister. Hello.
I can't believe this. This is impossible. I mean, Rose could do this, all that. Tonto,
And I'm calling her, she's not picking up. Eh?
Wait. Let me call Riverton Hotel. Yes, because that's where she normally stays when she wants to stay alone. You know, private suite. Hello, hi. This is Cynthia. Please, I want to talk to my friend Rose. Is she there? Oh, it's okay. It's okay, no problem. Thank you. What did he say? What did he say? She's not there.
Ha! Reverse the call. Call them again. Tell them say her name na Obiageli. Because that Rosa way they call, no be everybody know. My sister real name na Obiageli. Now where she dey hide and since mine no tell people. Everything don't scatter. So you need to tell them. Call them again. Reverse the call. Say, hello, Obiageli, is it
They
there?
know her as Rose.
See, I'm texting her on WhatsApp. She's online. She's reading, but she's not replying.
My sister no dey slap person again. No dey slap am, they say they slap. You know they slap person. Just leave that thing wey you dey do. Just call am for phone. Call her again.
You know what? Wait, let me send her voice note on WhatsApp. Maybe she will listen to
At
it.
least she'll listen to that.
Hello, Rose. Hi, this is
Hi.
One wants a little bit of this and that. When you are in a place, another place could they hungry you. That's where you want to be, wanna be. Good is good and bad is bad. Yeah. But our desire makes us think twice. Until you quench that burning desire that is
Rose.
calling for.
How could you do this to Brea?
Rose, I'm disappointed. Seriously, I'm disappointed.
I am sorry. I am deeply sorry, please. This is not the time to apportion names. I beg you, if you have any iota of love for me, help me beg Brian. Make him understand that I am truly sorry. I swear, if Brian refuses to forgive me, I am going to kill myself.
No. It hasn't gotten to that. Just calm down. We'll think of something.
Wait a minute, Rose. So this was the reason you don't want to see me and Roger together? Really? You told me it was for my interest. I believed you. I never knew it was for your selfishness. How could you?
Please, I don't know what came over me. This is unlike me. I am ashamed of myself right now. Please, guys, I'm sorry.
Rose, you lied to everyone, including us, your closest friends. We are more like sisters. What was the essence of lying that your mom was in abroad, meanwhile she was in the village? Why? Why?
You know your standard. You guys come from a wealthy family. I wanted to meet up. I wanted to be like you guys. Yes, I was envious of you, but God, I don't know where to start from at this point of my life.
What has this got to do? You went as far as denying your flesh and blood. You denied tonto. How in the name of trying to be a big girl, what?
These guys, I am.
Take it easy.
Ow!
It's okay.
I am bleeding for you, bleeding for you.
Rose.
For you.
Where did I go wrong?
You betrayed my love after everything
Loved you.
we've been through. We've been
Showed you so much love.
I had plans for us, many plans for you and I.
What is going on here?
Brian. What did I hear? Is it true? Hey, come on, please. know what you're about to say right now, but please, I'm not just cut out for the... Yes, fine. I messed up. I know you told me, but I didn't listen to you. But please, I'm not ready for any blame, okay? Just...
No, Brian, it's not your fault. You were in love. Rose is the wicked one here. She is heartless. She's heartless, yes. It's not your fault. I promise you everything will be fine. At least you are not married to her yet. Yes. Everything will be fine. Cheer up. Everything will be fine. Come on.
Sonto! Where are you going with your bag? What do you mean, Where are you going with your bag?
I dey go my papa house now. They say when pikin wey you come carry die, you go back to where you dey come from. The thing that happen is that my sister wey make me come this house don comot for the house. I can't use my church mind manage say make I stay with you, make I for no dey bad as my sister dey bad to you, make I do you good to pay back the sins of my sister. Now I come say make I for stay back, dey cook for you food, make you dey shop, dey help you do one or two small things before I go village. You know they appreciate am. I go suffer, go market, come back, cook food for you, you no go chop am. Every day food dey waste. I go do every other thing for the house, you know they appreciate. You know they laugh, nothing. Only wetin you dey do, you just sit down for here, dey drink. If you drink, you go smoke. If you smoke, you go sleep. If you sleep, you go dey think. I'm done. Oga, I don dey go.
Hey, stop now, stop. Okay, fine. I didn't mean to shout at you. I'm sorry. Try to understand that. You know you've helped me a lot to try to recover, but please, if I've said anything wrong that's got to you, I'm really sorry.
Okay, I no go on two conditions. Me and you go do trade by barter. That be the truth. We go do trade by barter. You ready? Make I come give you the consequences.
Yes.
Oga, now two things. Number one, if I cook food for this house, you go to chop am. You dey hear that one? Any day wey I cook food again, you no go waste am. You must chop it.
Yes.
Is that right? Number two, Oga say number two, so that I go know say you dey follow me for this thing while they talk.
Number two.
Beautiful. Number two, I hear say my sister Obiageri, aka Rose, you drink poison. So Oga, you go see am.
The Glow customer you're...
Oh God. Please pick up your phone, please. I'm sorry. Pick up your phone. Please.
The Glow customer you're calling.
What have I done to myself? Yes, hello? Who's this? What is your problem? Why are you calling me? What exactly do you want from me?
You have blocked all my lines. I have looked everywhere for you. Please, can you listen to me for just a minute?
You know, it is quite clear to me that you are the devil's right hand man. Haven't you caused enough damage for me already? Why is it so hard for you to leave me the hell alone?
I've been looking everywhere for you because I wanted to apologize for everything. But you must understand, everything I did was out of love. Rose, I have loved you from the very first day I saw you. That's why I had the mind to give up my relationship with Brian. Just to have you, because I couldn't imagine life without you.
Do you want to kill me before you let me be?
Come on, Rose, I will never kill you. I'd rather die than watch you die. Okay? Be with me. Be with me, I will give you a better life. I will love you better, I promise you, I will.
Listen to me. If you call my number again, I promise you, God punish you for the rest of your useless, miserable, pathetic life. Get the hell out of my phone!
Rose? Hello? Hello? Rose? Rose?
Oga, this thing where they do is not good. This thing is not good. You know they come out, they go outside again, Oga. You know they go work, you know they shop. You know you don't get anything where they do. The only thing where you they do recently, now say you go sit down, they do smoke this thing and they drink. And this thing where they smoke now, they write am for the body. Smokers are liable to die young. I read that for the congo. It's not good, sir. Where would you go?
What are you trying to do?
Oga, follow me, may you go shop food. You don't break your agreement, Oga. If you break your agreement, me, I will break my agreement. I will carry my bag and go back to my village. Only you go stay for inside this house. Loneliness go finish you. You will come start to do lonely. Yeah, eat now. Move. One. Go. The food sweet, I make you come. I know it's sweet. You don't get excuse to say it's so sweet. One, they eat fast now. They shoot this thing, I guess if they drink water. You know, say our agreement na 52 spoon. 52. So 1 out of 52, you never work out. What babies are poor, so just do the thing. Because your mind never done. Beans, they never grant. See, you do like Jibota, say you pack. The way you do it, the waste time. I make this way. 2 fast. No, see me, I never stitch up. Hunger they beat me, but I know if you to me for better food. You fast, please. You like the food? I don't say inside your mind you like this food. You don't say shame I take you come outside. You know why I didn't say you like the food. But it's okay, I understand. No, 39 that's 50. Now 50, I'm gonna go pack my bag. Man go carry my bag. Okay, one man go carry my bag. Okay. 49. 49 is still too much. Protect me now. Maybe you two eat. They eat normal. If you eat like this, that means we no go come for this dining table like this thing. You know, you are not a baby. You senior me. Me will be on PIKIN. I know they behave like PIKIN. You will not be PIKIN. They behave like PIKIN. Eat fast. 48. They eat. They put on for man. No, now you do bad thing. Sassy, they call it. You think you have sense. You think you have brain. I guess it's not like this small. Wait for the chopper. Mahavuru rice and Mahavuru here. It's not good for your head. Carry like this.
feel so miserable. Every single thing that is happening to me right now, I brought it upon myself. I am so ashamed of myself. I don't even know what got into me. I mean, I had a perfect man, but I ruined it with all the lies. I lied about everything, including my background. I don't know what came over me.
Sister Begeli, you don't have to be hard on yourself. That's the truth. You are still a good person, let me tell you. If not, you would have sent me back to the village since. You still accepted me inside your house. It's just that I'm surprised. I don't know what changed you. You changed a lot.
I did. The environment changed me. I think so, because I can't believe I turned myself into this vulnerable woman. I don't know what came over me.
Like I said before, don't be hard on yourself. It's not easy. It's still not easy for Oga Brian. He's not finding it easy. But if you ask me, I will say that it's better for you to go and beg him. Tell him, Oga Brian, I'm sorry, forgive me everything I've done to you. He will forgive you.
Are you kidding me? I saw Brian yesterday at his gate. He almost ran me over with his car. I mean, it was clearly stated that he does not want to set his eyes on me again. I don't deserve life, you know. I feel like killing myself.
Hey, this is very serious.
I'm glad you are better now.
Oh, yeah. I'm better. At least, all thanks to God. And Somto. Yeah, may God bless her. She actually helped me recover very fast. Such a nice girl.
Well, as for Rose, it's her loss. What about Ruga?
Hey, please. Just stop mentioning that name, okay? Please, I do not want to have anything to do with him. I don't want to speak with him. I don't want to see his face. I don't want to read from him. Okay?
Ah, sorry, bro. I'm so sorry. Sumto. She's a nice girl. Yeah. From the very first day I met her. She's the opposite of her sister.
Exactly.
So, what do you think about her? She's a good girl. Why don't you wife her? What are you waiting for? Wife her. Somto, I want to thank you for taking good care of my brother.
You're welcome. I thank you too. I thank God see your brother don't well. Now God's one, no be man.
All thanks to you. Yes.
Thanks to me too. Bros, Judas, I say make I tell you say I'm gonna go this weekend.
See, you go nowhere. You stay in this house.
I bet which kind of rough play be that one. You know say this your hair. Now make me they call you Judas Iscariot. Now when my mama put Jesus film, now I see Judas saying that this kind of hair baba. I make her they call you that name. See, I don't understand where they go. My mama don't they call me already, and I don't like the call which they call me.
Somto, I'm not Judas. You see this house? You are going nowhere. See, let me see my brother. You go nowhere. You will stay.
Somto, you go nowhere. Tomato, you go nowhere. May not be say this Judas, they plan make him marry me, make he come keep me for this city. God forbid bad thing. Instead of me to marry this Judas Iscariot, I better go marry all the people where the village don't they toast me since. After all the people go don't learn the carpenter work by this time now. At least we don't they get small money. As I come now, at last say, oh no, you go tell me, Somto, my tomato, 2 of us go come there. At least I don't go city, I don't to shop. We all spend on me now. Yeah, we all day everywhere for village. I love the city. They sit me like say I don't fall in love with her already. I got like say, Olu, I love you. Go tell me, Tommy.
Somto, I just want to use this medium to say thank you. Thank you very much for everything you've done for me. For helping me recover so fast after everything your sister did to me. Thank you.
You are welcome, sir. No be me do one, God do one for us.
Yeah, I know. Shh, I'm not done. I'm still talking. Okay? This few time we spent together, I've grown fond of you. Yes. And everything I keep imagining is me spending the rest of my life with you.
Rose.
What?
Sir? God forbid, but...
Hey, come on. Come on. Look into my eyes.
I no fit to.
Alright, fine. Listen. Come on. Every time, all I imagine is spending the rest of my life with you. Come on. Yeah, listen. Let me not just beat around the bush, okay? I see you. Please marry me. Yeah, I want you to marry me.
God forbid bad thing, sir. I no go fit do this kind bad thing. A very big bad thing. What of my sister Obegeli Rose?
Oh, come on. Come on. Yeah, I can't do anything with Rose. I have no business with Rose anymore. She hurt me so bad. You know about it. You know everything she has done to me.
Oga, I'm sorry, sir. I know, but now my sister she be. I no fit do bad thing. And they don't know me say I dey do bad thing for village. They only know say I stubborn. I know they hear word, but bad thing I know they do.
Sonto, I understand everything you're saying. Listen, I owe no grudges against your sister anymore. So please, just...
Bros, all this thing where you talk, I know they hear. I'm sorry to offend you, sir. The thing be say my sister, deep down in her heart, they feel say she do you bad, and true she do you bad. So if you want me, you and my sister get peace of mind, you go find my sister where she dey tell and say, Obegeli Rose, I don't forgive you. She go come no say you don't forgive her, and she too go still forgive you. Now to go rest in peace.
Yeah, listen, yeah, I have forgiven her everything she did to me. Everything. But one thing I can't forget is Rose or Biagili is sleeping with my own friend in my room. I'll do whatever you want me to do. I'll follow you. Right, please, just give me a hug. Hey, come on. Just a hug.
Bro, sir, I won't go.
Come on, just a hug.
Yes, coming.
Sister.
Soto, I bring Oga brother uncle. Welcome, please sit.
All right. Thank you. Sit down.
Sister, you buy me new clothes. No,
it's fine. Brian. Please, I want to use this medium to say that I'm deeply sorry. I am really, really sorry. I don't know what came over me. I didn't even know most of the things I was doing, trust me. Please, I beg you. Forgive me from your heart. I am on my knees, please. Please.
Get up, sit down. Sit down. You see, Rose, I owe no grudges against you anymore. Yes. See, forget about what happened. You are a good person. Yes. You are are a good person. I don't know where you got this fake life from. And the good part of you is far bigger than the bad part of you. So listen, irrespective of everything that has happened, I am still here for you. Any day, anytime you need anything from me, just say it. I will still do it for you. Okay? I've forgiven you. I've forgiven you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Tonto, I am forever indebted to you for doing this for me. Thank you.
You're welcome, sister. Sister, I have something to tell you.
Really? Out with it.
The thing they shame me to talk, I dey fear.
Just say it, please.
Oga Brian say make I marry am, but I dey fear.
What are you waiting for? Oh my goodness God. This is good news. I am happy for you. Please, I beg you, Tonto, marry him. You're the only person that will take care of him for me, please. I am sincerely happy for you guys. Congratulations. I approve. Get married to him. I mean, this is the best news ever. I mean it.
Sister, thank you. Thank you.
It's okay. Congratulations.
I don't agree to marry you now. Where you keep that ring?
Come here.
I am so happy for you both. And that reminds me, I have been talking to Mama for the past 3-4 days now. She has forgiven me.
Oh, good news.
Thank
Good
God.
news. Double good.
Thank God. Hey.
I'll be traveling next week to Canada.
Another good news.
I want to change my base. I need to pick up my broken pieces of my life and then forge ahead.
Sister, I will miss you. I will miss you so much.
We all miss you.
I know. Don't worry, we'll be talking from time to time, okay? But first, take good care of Brian for me.
Thank you.
Please. It's okay.